So this is the G5 stabilising gimbal, and I want to use the Video Micro Rode via the 3.5mm adapter. So somehow I've got to fix this onto the Gopro Hero 5 and give enough clearance for the stabilisation. But first of all, just get an elastic wristband. This came with my mini amp Feiyu. So I'm going to put it around, take the flap off, putting it into this position, off centre. This is the annoying adapter that you have to fit to get good sound. So the best way is at locating it underneath. I'll show you why in a minute. Slipping it underneath. Make sure the bracket's done up correctly, first of all. So this is the position. Must have clearance of this motor. Pop the connector in. There shouldn't be any problem with stabilisation. You have to put the motor strength onto strong. Pan follow mode, no problem. The next thing is actually fitting the Video Micro to the gimbal. It's easy to do with a GoPro Karma adapter, ring adapter. You've got a nice bracket here that you can fix it to. I've actually chosen, I've put a 1/4 inch thread into the 1/4 inch thread hole on the gimbal. I had to cut it down. So now, with this adapter, I can change the angle very easily. I can just screw it onto the thread. It's nice and solid. The Video Micro has a 3/8 thread size. So I've got a 3/8 to 1/4 inch adapter. And then screw the Video Micro onto the swivel adapter. Now you have the 3.5mm cable. You can plug into the adapter, mic adapter. So now I can fire the gimbal up. and it gives it no problem. Pan follow mode. I could change the direction of the mic. Pan follow mode with a video micro. Rode microphone.